How to change your password on Google account. So if you want to change your password on your Google account, then first you need to open up your Google application. Once you open your Google, now make sure to log into your particular account in which you would like to change the password, and go for the upper right, which has that profile option. Once you tap on the profile, go for manage your Google account, and here you need to swipe right and tap on security. Under your security, you need to scroll down, and here you will have your password option. Tap on password, and you need to enter your current password. Once you enter your current password, it will ask you to enter your new password and then re-enter your new password. So first, make sure to enter your current password. So once you've logged into your account, it will take you to this kind of interface where you just need to enter the new password on the first blank and then enter the new password again on the next blank. And once you've entered the two passwords, or once you enter the password on these two blanks, then tap on change password. Once you tap on change password, your password will be changed on your Google account. So that's how you can change, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.